Top 5 Best Lawn Sweepers Reviews. Agri-Fab Lawn Sweeper. Pros: adjustable brush height, easy and empty dump handle, 1:1 gear ratio, universal fit hitch. Cons: a bit difficult to assemble. Earthwise Leaf and Grass Push Lawn Sweepers. Pros: push leaf sweeper that is both sturdy and light. It can adjust leaf sweeper rake height for quick and effective debris gathering. Leaf sweeper collects 80% of the debris on the first pass. Not suitable for gravel, nuts, pine cones, or wet trash. Cons: need an adjustment to work on the uneven surface. Craftsman Lawn Sweepers. Pros: adjustable brush height, easy empty from a truck, 5:1 gear ratio, universal fit hitch. Cons: need to read the instruction before assembly. Brinley Tow Behind Lawn Sweepers. Pros: a 2-in-1 solution for maximum efficiency. Durable tine dethatcher to help you get the job done faster. Cover the maximum ground in minimum time. 5:1 brush to wheel ratio results in higher tip velocity. Easily adjustable brush to ground height settings. Cons: assembly instructions are lacking clarity. Agri-Fab Tow Lawn Sweeper. Pros: adjustable brush height, easy and empty dump handle, 1:1 gear ratio, universal fit hitch. Cons: need to read the instruction before assembly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.